Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Professor Dipanjan Kumar De. Today I will deliver another important lecture on Python programming. That is Maths Club provides you a programming language. This is the first lecture on Python programming. In this lecture, the learner will be able to understand what is Python programming, why Python programming, who to use Python programming, and different versions of Python programming. So before going to start Python introduction, that means I must say that is, if you do not understand, that is easy. This programming is very simple language. Everybody can understand very nicely. So if you don't know any language, that is, if you have no knowledge about programming, so you can able to understand this language very nicely. If you don't know C++, Java, you can start with Python programming. So this is the advantage of Python programming. So let's see the definition. What is Python programming? I have written what is Python programming. Python programming means Python is a popular and one of the leading programming language. Python is a popular and one of the leading programming language. So when you talk about languages, what is languages? Language is nothing but a software. It is nothing but a software. It is nothing but a software. Okay. It is nothing but a software which provides set of predefined instruction. It is nothing but a software which provides a predefined set of instruction to develop a program, to develop application, Okay. When you talk about language, once again, I repeat again, when you talk about language, it is nothing but a software and uh, uh, which provide a set of predefined instruction to develop application. Now, if we talk about languages, that is, there are two types of languages in Python programming. That is, one is high level language, other is low level language. High level languages and other, this is low level language. Now, low level language generally, low level language, that is machine level language and assembly and machine level language. This is assembly and machine level language. Machine level languages. These are the example of low level language. It is non-portable. It is non-portable. So that uh, that is non-portable language and completely depend on hardware. This is low level language. And high level language, there are so many high level languages like C++, Java, .NET, and I must say that is Python. Is a high level language. That is portable language. These are the level. These are among all these C++, Java, .NET, Python. These are high level language. Among these, I must say Python is the best. Why best? Because the popularity of the Python. Most of the companies are using Python programming. Okay, so it is the best, latest, that is best. Okay, so now I'm I'm coming new topic. This is the introduction part of Python programming. This is the introduction part of Python programming. Now, now I am coming. That is, I must say another thing. Python, that is, it was created by Guido van Rossum. It is introduced. It is introduced. Introduced by Guido van Rossum, and and is released in 1991. 1991. Released in 1991. 1991. So now it is easy to understand. It is easy to understand. It is easy to understand. That is, anyone can understand Python programming. Easy to understand Python. That means syntax and programs are very clear. That is easy. It is easy to understand. That is syntax and syntax and syntax and easy to understand. Syntax and programs are very clear in Python. Clear in Python. Syntax and programs are very clear in Python. Very clear in Python, so that one can understand very nicely. Okay, compared to other languages. Syntax and programs are very clear in Python, so that one can understand very easily, like compared to other languages, that is C, C++, Java, .NET, etc. So as well as you can say, or I must say, it is the best for beginner language. That means you don't know, suppose if you don't know anything about language, about programming, but if you are interested in programming, then I must say it is the best language to learn first. That means if you don't know any language, if you have no knowledge about language, I must say you can start with Python. You can start with Python. Even those students who are comes from different level, like I means not necessary that you must come from science background. Those who are comes from arts or commerce background, they can understand very nicely Python programming. Okay, next, it is used for or application of Python, you can say. I'm coming, next part is application part. That is, it is used for web development application or use. Okay, application or I must say use. It is used for web development, software development, web development, web development, software development, and using that is using Python. You make using Python, using Python, using Python, using Python, using Python. You can make you can make games, 2D, 3D applications, etc. Applications, etc. Using Python. Using Python, that is now you can say that is data science and machine learning use applications are there in data science. In data science and machine learning, ML. In data science and machine learning, there is a huge application. In machine data science and machine learning, Python are used. Python's programming is used. Programming are used. That is, there is huge application that is in data science and machine learning. Python programming is used. Okay. Next, if I talk about version, there are so many versions are there. So many. The next topic is, this is application part. Next, I am coming in version. That is, so Python, there are started with this version. Actually, Python version start with this Python version Python 0.90 in February 1991. February 1991. Then comes Python 1.0 January 1994. Then comes Python 2.0. This is October 2000. Now that is Python 3.7. 3.7 comes January 218. These are the versions comes. So many apart from these, so many versions are available in the market, in the Google. You can check, you can install Python. This is open to all. Open to all, I mean, you can install Python in your machine according to your supporting, that is whether it is 32 bits or 64 bits. You have to check it, then you can install easily. That is, everybody can install, no need. That is open to all, you can say. These are the version. Now I am coming, why Python. This is very, very important. Very, very important. Why Python? Why Python? First of all, easy to understand. Why Python? This is very, very important. This section, why Python? Why Python? Why Python? That is first point. I must say, easy to understand. I must say, number one, easy to understand. Easy to understand means, if you have no knowledge about language, programming language, you can start with Python. No problem will arise at all. Okay, so easy to understand. That is, syntax and programming are very easily, everybody can understand very nicely. Okay, next, beginners language. Why is beginners languages? Beginners language means, if you don't know only if you do not know any language, you can start with Python. You can start with Python. Okay, so it is a beginner's language, you can see. Next is portable language. Portable language. Portable language means the code written in Python can run at numerous platforms. That is portable language. Portable language. Portable language means that code written in Python can be run at numerous platforms like numerous Windows, Linux, then Unix. This okay. This is portable language. That means the code can be written in. That is code can be written in. Code can be written in Windows, Linux, Unix, Raspberry, Ras, Raspberry Pi, etc. Note that you cannot use Python in Windows XP. This is very important. Note that you cannot use Python. You cannot use Python in Windows XP. Windows XP. This is very important. Okay. Next is portable. Portable language I already discussed. Next, I must say it contains less line of code. So next point is these 3 points I already discussed. Why Python? Easy to understand. Beginner's language, portable language. That means code can be written in Windows, Linux, Unix, Raspberry Pi, etc. Note that you cannot use Python in Windows XP. Next point it is, I can say, it contains less line of code. It contains less line of code. It contains less line of code. It contains less line of it contains next point, it contains less line of code. This means if you write any program in C++, Java or some other programming language, and if you write the same code in Python, most of the cases Python contain less line of code, so that it will reduce space and time. So we can say it contains less line of code as well as less time, as well as less time. Why? Once again, I repeat once again why it contains less line of code as well as less time. Because this means that if you write any program in C++, Java or some other programming language, and if you write the same code in Python, most of the cases Pythons contain less line of codes, lines of code, so that it will reduce space and time. Okay. Next, the next part, that is, this is all about why Python. Then I must say who use Python. This this is the last topic of Python. Who use Python? Who use Python? Okay. So who use Python? Who use Python? Who use Python? Who use Python? Okay. This topic. Who use Python? There are many other languages available in the available or present. Now the question arises, why Python? There are, you see, there are so many languages. There are so many languages available or present in the market. Now the question arises, who use who use Python? Okay, so many who use Python, so many languages, but among these, why Python? Actually, already discussed. Now, who use Python? Which companies are use Python? So the answer of this question, because question is for popularity. This is very popular language. So popularity, due to popularity, companies like Python today, okay, who use Python today, popular companies like Google, YouTube, Facebook. These are the companies. Google, Facebook, Google, Facebook, then Dropbox, Yahoo, NASA, IBM, Mozilla. So many companies, that these are the all popular companies. They are using Python for develop their applications. Okay, very popular. Okay, so if you want to go with the competitive world, then you must know about latest technology and leading programming language, and Python is the best, I must say. Python is the best, I must say. So many software companies are also using Python. That is, if you know the Python language very nicely, then there is so many job facilities are there, because most of the software companies are using Python language for development of their applications. Okay, now I conclude. Okay, I conclude with this word, like this is about all about the introduction part of Python programming language. Then you are watching, and we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care. I'll come with my new topic of Python in the next lecture. So you must see, and before that, you have to see my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get the update. Okay, to get an update. Okay, when if you have any topic about Python, if you need, then you must write in my uh, in my WhatsApp number. I'll make for you. Okay, no problem at all. I must say I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Okay, thank you.